We get a lot of inquiries about how to install terracotta breeze blocks. The first thing you should know is that terracotta breeze blocks must be adhered together. You have to use some kind of adhesive between the blocks. You cannot dry stack these blocks. Because there is some size irregularity from block to block, grout joint spacing is usually going to have to be between 1/4 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch. As far as adhering the blocks together, you've got a few options. The first is to use masonry cement. That's basically the same material that you would use when you're building a brick wall. Alternatively, breeze block walls can be assembled by using an adhesive between the blocks and sticking the blocks together with some type of a spacer system. After the adhesive is dried and the spacers are removed, the grout joint void will still be visible. You're going to have to fill that grout joint void with a conventional sanded tile grout. Be aware that terracotta breeze blocks are porous. They can be stained during grouting. We highly advise that you seal the blocks either before installation or prior to grouting.